Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac computer and images, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you resize multiple images or photos using just your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to resize multiple images with your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that when you're uploading a thumbnail to various platforms, they have their own size requirements. And maybe you have a lot of images that you need to resize, and instead of going one by one with a Mac, you can do it all at one time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac Finder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up 4 images that I'm going to go ahead and resize. So if you want to resize multiple images, what you're going to do is go ahead and highlight all of the images you want to resize at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and resize all 4 of these. If you have some that you want to resize and some you don't, you can go ahead and press Command and just highlight the ones that you want and then skip over the ones that you don't want. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and do all of them. Also, another quick tip, if you need to highlight all of them, instead of dragging, if you have hundreds, it could take a while. You can just go ahead and click on the top one and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And then before clicking on the last image or photo, click Shift, and then it's going to highlight everything in between. And then you're going to go ahead and right click and you're going to open these up. Okay, now you can see all 4 of these images have been opened up. So if you want to resize all of them, what you're going to do is highlight all of them, and it's going to be the same thing. So I'm going to click this one that's blue, and then I'm going to click on the bottom one, but before I click it, I'm going to click Shift, and now they're all highlighted. And in order to resize all the images at the same time, click on Tools here at the very top bar, and we're going to click on Adjust Size. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and resize images. So for example, with YouTube thumbnails, it's 1280 by, I think, 720. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in the width at 1280. And then I'm going to do 720 on the height, and I'm going to click OK. Okay, now you can see all of these have now been resized at the same time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to resize multiple images using just your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.